Do you know what the best jump rope skill is for raising the intensity of your workouts and helping you transition between skills? I'm talking about the jump rope side swing. In fact, the side swing is my favorite skill of all time. It just really helps you to be able to really raise the intensity, move fast, and even add agility into your exercises once you master the skill. So in this video, I'm showing you how to do two versions of the side swing, and that's the basic side swing and the double side swing. Let's jump into this.
Here I am performing the basic side swing. First off, notice that this skill can be done and practiced without jumping the rope. So no need to worry about too many moving parts here. We are strictly focusing on hand movement and getting the pattern down. As you can see, my hands are stacked on top of each other. Choose which hand you would like on top. This will most likely be your dominant hand, but ultimately you want to practice both ways. The top hand drives the rope across your body to the other side and then pulls the rope back across the body to complete a side swing on each side. You want to keep your hands pretty close together and make sure you are just moving the rope back and forth with your hands and not twisting your torso and shoulders. You only need to get the end of your handles outside your shoulders so the rope doesn't catch on your shoulder during the side swing. Let's go over the basic side swing progression, adding in the jump. Start off with one swing to each side and one jump. Start your side swing to the dominant hand side. After you cross your body with the dominant hand and perform the second side swing, you then take your top hand and uncross it, opening the rope up for the jump. Practice this sequence with one jump until you feel confident with the movement. Once you become comfortable with the pattern, you can begin repeating the sequence multiple times without stopping. Using the basic bounce, you can start adding in side swings as you wish. Throw in 1, 2, 3 or more side swings to each side to mix it up. This is where you get to start playing around with it, making your own, and having fun. Next up is the double side swing. This is my favorite jump rope skill that you will see me use all the time. Let's break this skill down so you can see exactly how it's performed. Start with the side swing, and as you cross to the other side, the top hand will be outside the lower hand as shown here. During this first swing on this side, the lower hand slides outside the top hand. On the second side swing, the bottom hand now rotates above the hand across the body and is ready to cross over, and repeat this process on the other side. Practice this pattern without jumping the rope until you don't have to think about it. If you are a visual learner, grab your rope and follow along with the video to help you get it down. Just like we did with the basic side swing, perform one full sequence with one jump. Reset and do it again. Gradually add more by repeating the sequence 3 to 5 times without stopping, and eventually do it continuously. Gradually add more and more speed to this pattern. While this seems pretty basic, once mastered, this sequence by itself, done at a high speed, begins to look pretty impressive. If you're tired of the same old basic jump rope workouts, practice these side swing variations and master them. They will bring a new level of intensity and athleticism to your workouts, leaving you in better shape and having a lot of fun.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button and let me know what you found most useful. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos coming at you every week. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.